Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Square. This is Dr. Mohammed Awais, and before we dive into today's tutorial, I want to stress the importance of subscribing to our channel. We are here to provide you with practical tips and tricks that can significantly improve your academic life and research skills. If you have been enjoying the content we are sharing and find it valuable, consider subscribing right from the start. By subscribing, you not only show your support for this channel but also ensure that you never miss out on the latest insights and tutorials that we bring to help you succeed in your academic journey. So hit the subscribe button now and let's embark on this journey of knowledge and improvement together. Now let's get started with today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you a quick and efficient method of downloading YouTube comments using Maxqda. With recent policy changes on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, limiting the accessibility of tweet datasets, this method comes as a ray of hope for students and researchers seeking to gather data for their social media studies. Open the software Maxqda. Create a new project. Let's say YouTube comments. Download. And now go to import and hit on YouTube data here. Now give the link to the video. I'm taking an example of this short video which has 7,186 comments. Just copy the link of the video and paste here. Now you need to click on retrieve video information and you will see different options. Just select the options that are suitable to you or that you needed. If you want to import the transcript or closed caption if the video has, select this option. Just hit OK. Now the comments are downloading. If the comments are in thousands, you need to wait. It will take some time depending upon the internet speed, the system speed, etc. etc. So just wait for 5 minutes or so. Make sure you watch this video till end because I have discussed some other things that I didn't mention in the intro of this video. I mean how to export the comments and subtitles or the closed captions in Excel format so you can use these comments or captions in other social media data analysis software. I will demonstrate that once the comments are downloaded. So you see the files have been created. First file contains the comments from 1 to 1000. If you double click on it, you can see the comments and you can see different columns. Number, this is the first one, comment, author, and then author's URL. I mean that URL to the author's channel, author of the comment, and replies, how many replies were there to that comment, likes, when it was published, and if it was edited or updated, and what was the time and date. If you right click here, you can go to word cloud and you can see the word cloud and you can customize this word cloud by exploring these options. By the way, different files have been created. The comments from 1 to 1000 have been created in one file and so on and so forth till 7184. The original number of comments were 7186. The two of the comments that are not shown in this, I mean the total number of comments were 7186. So maybe they are hidden by the author of the video. Anyways, if you right click on it, if you go to export document, just select the path and you can save the in Excel format. Choose that suits you the best. Once you save it, you will see you have to repeat it on all the files. You will see these, the comment, author, the same options that were shown in Maxqda. I'm going to close it and I have to repeat on all the files. You can merge those Excel files as well manually by going to Excel and then do that. One bonus thing that I want to share with my viewers is if you go to NVivo, create a project, hit next, create project, skip to, and if you go to import, and if you go to survey, click on Excel, select that Excel file that you just exported from Maxqda. Next, you will see all that data in NVivo as well. If you hit next, 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 just choose the right option for the right box. You can auto code themes, auto code sentiments, deselect it and hit finish, and this file has been imported in NVivo, and you can apply auto coding in whichever way you want, or manual coding as well. This was the bonus thing that I want to discuss with all of you. Hit close, this is the thing, and you see the same options in NVivo as well. But if you go to import, there is no option of YouTube here. NCapture is available, but as you all know that with NCapture you won't be able to download YouTube comments for whatever reason. If you really like this video, hit the like button and please consider subscribing to this channel.